Hello guys, welcome to my channel. As I promised, I can made a video on StepN. Today's video's topic is how to use StepN app. When you open the app, you can show this page. You can put your email address and press send code button. You receive 6-digit code and put the code and press login. Next page, you put activation code. Activation code got from a StepN Discord server. All link in description. You went to StepN Discord and press app activation and you receive code and put in StepN app. You can show StepN front page. Top side of corner GST and GMT token and all details like kilometer, sneakers and etc. GST token already listed on CoinMarketCap. This time 1 GST around $1.83. Other marketplace like Radium and Orca to trade GST token. Back to the app. For start app, you have minimum 1 sneakers. You can get sneakers from Magic Eden. In Magic Eden, you can show all sneakers and shoebox. You can buy or sell these shoebox and sneakers, and you can transfer these shoebox and sneakers to your app, StepN app. This current situation in Magic Eden, StepN NFT floor price is 4.28 Sol around. Magic Eden, Twitter, Medium, and Discord. All links are in a description. You can show and download StepN app. Thank you.